Well, today is the start of a very exciting phase for us. We are finally going to turn this area into turf. Taking out trees, or trees are taking themselves out. Got trees out there, and now we've just got Peter and his posse are here to level this out. We're going to get some soil in, and then we're going to get landscapers in, lay some turf. Well, it's turf day. This is what we ended up with post Peter's work. He's laid some turf underlay here. We're all ready to go. It's a perfect day, overcast, a bit drizzly, so couldn't ask for a better day for turf, I don't think. Well, we got the turf delivered, and now it comes time to laying it out. Here we are, day 3 of the turf being down, and it's quite a warm day today. The last couple of days have been overcast, and it absolutely flogged down the day it went down, which was good. But now it's all about keeping it well watered. I've got my sprinkler array, and yeah, it's working all right. Coming out of the tank, feeding these two sprinklers. Bought a cheaper one from the hardware shop. That's pretty good actually, but it looks like it's taking well. It's starting to green up. I put a very light coat of granular fertilizer down a couple of days ago. Bit of a balanced one, hopefully get some root growth going. I might hit it with some sea salt on the weekend as well. Just haven't had time, but yeah. Well, good morning. We are 1 week in now with the turf. Here's how it's looking. Starting to get established. Had some very hot weather in the last day, but overcast and a little bit rainy this morning. But yes, it's looking quite nice and green. Green lines are still a little visible, but slowly eroding. Had to fill quite a few gaps, I guess, between the rolls, which still haven't got all over it with sea salt yet. I might try and get there. I've got a couple of spots where dogs have done a little bit of damage, but they're sort of not doing that anymore. Hi there, this is the last update on this series. We are 10 days in with the turf down, and it's the weekend, and I've just given it its first mow. So I've just given it a mow this morning, quite high just to try and level it out, but it's looking really good. Quite vibrant green, and seems to have really taken well. Also upgraded the sprinklerage. The wobble tees are definitely the go. I've bought a couple of those and I've borrowed a couple as well, so just got those rigged up. So in terms of looking after it, the main thing I've done is just really get the water up. Our tank is now quite low. I've put a huge amount of water on it, I think. I've tried to saturate it at least once a day. The only other thing was I've given it about a litre of sea salt in one of the spray packs and just sort of sprayed it while the sprinklers were on. That's about it. And the original granular fertilizer, which is still, I can still see it's hasn't broken down yet, so it's still helping. So yeah, just what I've been doing. But yeah, first mow looking spectacular.